Good morning. My name is Naz, and today we have a very grateful Dr. Subhash Mishra from Savidha Netralaya in Raipur. So, we are talking about diabetes. We all know that diabetes is one of the most common disease in India, but people don't understand it is one of the most dangerous disease. When people don't know they have a diabetes. So, today, sir will tell us what is diabetes exactly and what are the common symptoms of diabetes. Sir, please tell us what is diabetes exactly.
Diabetes is a disease where the blood sugar levels are higher than the normal. These levels are standardized and it has to be individualized also. It varies from person to person, their personal capacity or tolerance or the body structure or the genetic structure.
Yeah.
So diabetes may affect any person. Now it is increasing because of the lifestyle man. And the other point is stress and strain is increasing the incidence of diabetes in common people, population.
Yeah.
And diabetes affects the eye in different ways. A person can perceive it only by diminution of vision or blurring of vision, number one. Number two, the patient may have difficulty in near vision only.
Okay.
And the patient may see some distorted images and increased floaters, black spots before the eyes. So these things warn the patient to get the consultation from an eye specialist so that early diagnosis and proper treatment can be done. Proper diagnosis and early treatment can prevent the happening of blindness or may prevent the permanent structural damage in the retina of the eye or other structures. Hence, timely diagnosis, proper treatment is number one. Number two, we can control it by proper diet, exercise, and medications. The combination of these three is a must. If a person says only medicine will work, he is wrong. Medicine plus diet control and exercise. A combination of these three will be very effective in controlling of diabetes. And once the diabetes is well controlled, there is no fear to lose vision.
Sir, is it prevented?
It is almost fully preventable.
Okay.
If you can prevent the diabetes or the blood sugar level to go high, you can prevent the damage to the eye also.
So, how can we take care of eyes when we are a patient of diabetes?
Point number one would be control of diabetes, regular treatment and control of diabetes mellitus. Point number one. Number two, if you are a diabetic person,
Yeah.
you have to consult the doctor for early changes in retina. So at least 6 monthly fundus examination is advocated. The third would be, if you have any of these symptoms, you have to consult the doctor immediately so that it does not increase and timely intervention can prevent you from all trouble.
So, sir, how can diabetes affect on our eyes?
It will affect the lens, it affects the retina and the peripheral retina plus central retina. Then it may affect other structures of the eye also. And the most common causes of infection in the eye are diabetic. The diabetic patient is more prone to develop infection.
Yeah.
It may be in the form of different superficial infections of the eye like lid or conjunctiva, or sometimes it may go deep inside also, particularly when a patient undergoes some eye surgery. If the sugar level is not controlled, the patient is not a controlled diabetic, he can develop severe infection. Sometimes it may lead to permanent loss of vision also.
Sir, what are the main reasons of having a diabetes?
The diabetes is mainly thought to be genetic, but the recent studies have shown it very clearly that even if the patients don't have diabetes, the son or the children may develop diabetes, or sometimes the parents are diabetic, but the children may not have diabetes. Because if they are careful about their lifestyle, they will not have diabetes, even if the parents have diabetes. And even if the parents are not diabetic, it's not in their gene, but they can develop diabetes due to poor lifestyle, stress and strain.
Sir, is diabetes better in lifestyle?
Yeah, there is a called lifestyle disease, diabetes and hypertension. The number increasing merely because the lifestyle of the people has changed. They are not taking care of their health,
Yeah.
their diet,
Yes.
and their routine work. Lot of stress and strain can definitely lead to the development of diabetes in spite of their diet control and exercise.
So you already said that the diabetic patient has a very issues of eye. So how when they go for a checkup for eye?
Routinely,
Right,
six monthly examination by an ophthalmologist can prevent development of any complication. The patient is likely to have certain diseases or symptoms or signs of diabetes, but if it is diagnosed early, we can prevent the complication. We may not prevent certain diseases like diabetes, but we can certainly prevent the complication, and we should focus on that, and that can be done by regular 6 monthly checkup, or if you have any symptom, immediate consultation or as early as possible consultation by an ophthalmologist, and the treatment can prevent all complications.
Sir, is it a serious issue or normal?
It is something like if you can keep your diabetes control, you will not to fear.
Yeah.
But if you are careless, you can lose your vision permanently.
Okay. It will become very serious.
Yeah, the patients are likely to have permanent loss of vision also.
Yeah.
So it's a graded disease only when it is neglected. Otherwise, a person with diabetes can lead a normal life without any problem if he keeps his sugar levels controlled.
In India, there are lots of people suffering from diabetes, and now maybe India is becoming a hub of diabetes. So they are like, they have a diabetes, they know it, but they are like, they are eating a non-stop sweets. But when they take a tea, they don't take a sugar. So what you say about that kind of
You are
people?
very right in telling that the number is increasing. The experts say it is around 20 to 25%
Yeah.
population suffering with diabetes in India. As far as diet is concerned, it depends on the number of calories you take. If you take calculated calories, it may be in any form. Carbohydrate, fat, protein, there are three kinds of diet. You can take any form, but you have to calculate the calories. Even if you take some sweet, you may not suffer with the complications because you are taking less calories. एक रसगुल्ला खाने का अगर मन है तो वही आप 2 रोटी कम खाइए, हाँ, लेकिन टोटल कैलोरी मस्ट बी कैलकुलेटेड और उतना ही खाना चाहिए जितना कि आपको जरूरत है। ये डाइटिशियन, डॉक्टर्स, फिजिशियन लोग बताते हैं और उसके हिसाब से इसको कंट्रोल में रखना चाहिए।
इसके क्या प्रिकॉशंस की कर सकते हैं?
इसमें प्रिकॉशन डाइट का एक रहता है। डाइट में आपको हाई कैलोरी नहीं लेना चाहिए। हाई कैलोरी वाली डाइट आपके ब्लड शुगर लेवल को बढ़ा देती है। देन यू फॉल फॉर complications of diabetes. The other thing would be you have to do some exercise, utilization of the calories which you have taken. So your calorie intake must be balanced by the exercise. The third would be medications. Many of the patients need medication. The medication should be timely, properly, and in proper dose. Sometimes people take anti-diabetic drug but don't take meal, and they may land into serious trouble like death. That dangerous disease. only if it is neglected. I again repeat it, that only if you neglect diabetes, it is a dangerous disease, otherwise you can live a normal life with diabetes mellitus.
So do you want to share another advice who are suffering from diabetes?
I'll say only one thing, that is regular treatment of and the control of diabetes can prevent you from not only eye problem but kidney, heart and other serious problems.
So thank you so much, sir, for aware about diabetes, because some people don't know it is normal, but after some time it will become very dangerous. So thank you so much कि आपने हम सबको aware करा diabetes के बारे में. Thank you.
Thank you.